Hi, and welcome to another video. If you don't see comments on YouTube videos and want to know where to look to fix it, then this video is perfect for you. First, let's talk about your own YouTube videos that do not show the comments. Open YouTube on your computer browser or the YouTube Studio app on your phone. From here, click on your profile photo, click YouTube Studio, then go to Settings, that will be on the bottom left. Then go to Channel and go to Advanced Settings. Now, as you can see here, if you have this set as yes, this channel is made for kids, then automatically it would turn off the comments. So you can just use no or to review the setting for every video. So again, if you have this turned yes, then the comments would be automatically turned off. Another thing that you can check would be under community, so click on that and go to defaults. Now if you had hold all comments for review and disable comments, then that's a reason why you cannot see comments on your videos. If you click allow all or even hold potentially inappropriate comments for review, then you can still see some if not all of the comments. Now let's talk about other people's YouTube videos that you can see the comments. So first, on your phone, open your YouTube app, tap on your profile photo, then tap Settings, then tap General. On this list, look for Restricted Mode. If this has been turned on, it will hide all the comments on any video that you watch. So make sure to turn this off if you want to see the comments. Now, next would be, it's not related to YouTube, but it can be a glitch on the YouTube app. So all you have to do is uninstall and reinstall the app and see if that fixes the problem. Lastly is to make sure your YouTube app background refresh or background data is turned on. For iPhone, you can open Settings and scroll down to the bottom to see the apps list and tap YouTube. For Android, open Settings, scroll down a little bit and tap Apps. Tap Apps once more, then on the search bar, type YouTube. Then tap YouTube and go to data usage. There are changes or updates on the app from time to time, so even if you are not using or opening the app, with your background data or refresh turned on, those changes or updates gets implemented. However, if it's turned off, you will have to open the app every time so it gets updated.
If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel.